Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming physical compatibility and grabbing the right cable. First, identify the HDMI port labels on both devices and match the cable end to the monitor input. This prevents trying the wrong jack. Once done, align the connector and push firmly until it seats. Do not force. Make sure any small adapters, USB-C to HDMI, DisplayPort to HDMI, are fully connected. After the cable sits snugly, power on the monitor, then the computer so the handshake can initiate. Once the physical link is active, you control how the image is delivered. Open your operating system's display settings and select the newly detected HDMI display. Choose the native resolution to avoid scaling blur. Make sure the refresh rate matches the monitor's spec, because mismatches cause judder or blank screens. If you use multiple displays, pick extend versus mirror depending on workflow. Also verify audio output if you want sound sent over HDMI. Select the HDMI audio device in sound settings. You finish by physically securing the cable and making final visual tweaks. Position and tilt the monitor, then use the on-screen menu to balance brightness and color so text and images render accurately. Once satisfied, lock in settings and save any user profiles. If you encounter a no signal or flicker issue, first make sure the monitor input matches the connected HDMI port, then swap cables or ports to isolate hardware faults. Finally, reboot the machine and update GPU drivers if problems persist. These steps resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.